Hi, my name is Müller. I'm a co-founder and the CEO of Eben. Eben creates physiologically accurate digital twins of the human lung in order to predict and improve personalized treatment of critical care patients, especially for mechanical ventilation. In one word, our experience was great. We had a lot of very interesting interaction with our mentors, especially the super mentoring program was very valuable to us. In discussion with our super mentor, we fleshed out details of our business models that otherwise would have maybe not become that apparent to us at this early stage of our venture. The biggest learning of all was to stay flexible with respect to the business models and the opportunities they offer, be that in variations of what you offer to the customers or how you talk about it to investors. Well, you should apply to the Catapult program because it's one hell of a ride of a journey.